Rules are for everyone. Okay. Let me tell you children one thing. What is this rules? Rules क्यों बनाए जाते हैं? Why rules are made? तो घूम किसके लिए? क्यों? ऐसे टाइम पास के लिए? ऐसे फालतू टाइम देता है इसलिए बनाते रूल्स? नो, बनाए जाते हैं हमारे लिए. Rules are made for ourselves. Who made this? A big person made for our safety. Rules are made for our safety. हमारे लिए rules बनाए जाते हैं. Can you tell me some traffic rules, children? Why we are following these traffic rules? If you don't follow the traffic rule, what will happen? Accident will be there. यहाँ से गाड़ी आएगी, there from their car will come, from their car will come, and what happened? Dashum, dishum. कार पूरी एक दूसरे ऊपर चढ़ जाएगी. Okay, like that. So we should follow the rules. We should follow the rules. We follow traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly. We follow the traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly. Why the person is standing in the middle of the traffic? Oh, pagal hai? The policeman is standing in the middle of the traffic because he's mad. He is not having any work. He's standing in the hot sun, like mad. Go from here, stop here. Again, you can go from here. पसीने पसीने में क्यों खड़ा रहता है? Because they want our life to be nice. It's nicely go smoothly. Okay, like that. In the same way, there are rules of social life that tells us what each person should be doing. There are some social life also that हमारे लाइफ में हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं. Nowadays we are going outside. COVID-19 में rules change हुआ था. Yes or no? Again the rules will change. Who make these rules? Government makes these rules. Okay, not to go here. You are going to sit inside the house only. Don't spit over there. Then you are going to wear a mask. पहले mask compulsory था? No, that was not a rule. But now in the COVID-19, government has made us this rule to wear a mask compulsory. Who made this? Government made this. For our only, हमारी life के लिए, for ourselves, because they want our life should be protected. Okay, rules need to be made to specify each person's duties and responsibilities. If we follow the rules, our day-to-day life becomes disciplined. We are going in discipline order. Otherwise, indiscipline चलता रहेगा. कोई भी किधर भी जाएगा, मास्क नहीं पहनेगा, सबको कोविड-19 होगा, सबको कोरोना हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. Okay? We can work more efficiently. We can work more efficiently. Rules are meant for everybody. Rules are meant for everybody. They apply equally to all. They apply equally to all. सबके लिए equal rules होते हैं. Okay? No one is above the rules. कोई भी ऊपर नहीं है rules के. Disobeying the rules lead to punishment. Now where somebody is disobeying the rules means traffic rule के time कोई आगे निकल जाता है. Okay, they go ahead, and the traffic police started whistling. What that mama does? Who is this mama now? Police mama. What he does? Come on, stop here. You are going to punish. उनको fine मारते हैं. क्या मारते हैं? Fine. Same like that, you should follow each and every rule. You should follow each and every rule. If anybody is not following the rule, what happened? They are going to be punished. There is no discrimination in the punishment for breaking the rules. So पैसे वाला है, so you will get so little punishment. Not like that. Each and everybody has a same rule. Each and everybody will get the same punishment. In this way, equality is the basis of the rule. Basis of the rule. Now, can you see this traffic rule? First one is stop. Okay. Then second one is green. You can go. Third one is get ready. First one is stop. Second one, green. You can go. And third one is you can get ready. Can you see these symbols over there? These other symbols. Sorry. This is right turn, left turn. Symbols are there given over there. Okay. Changes in rule for the society. Changes in rule for the society. A society works according to certain rules. Society means क्या? आजू बाजू जो लोग रहते हैं ना, पूरा अपना बदलापुर हो या सब कुछ. This is called a society. We make the rules for ourselves. We make the rules for ourselves. We follow this rule because they are meant for the common goods. हमारे goods के लिए this rules are made. Okay. Proper changes are also introduced in the rules made for the society. There is a difference between the rules of society and laws of nature. Rules of society made by the government. Again, I am repeating. This society, the government has made the rules for us. Means आदमी लोग बनाते हैं rules for ourselves. But opposite to that, Opposite to rules of society, opposite to that, it's a law of nature. Law of nature क्या? धूप गिरनी है, धूप गिरेगी. If rain want to come, the rain will come. In that season only rain will come. मई में कभी रेन देखा है या फिर कभी अक्टूबर में रेन देखा है? कभी तो होता जाता है. इट्स ओके, वो चलता है थोड़ा बहुत. बट समर सीजन में समर होता है, विंटर सीजन में ठंडी होती है. इट्स कॉल्ड अ लॉ ऑफ नेचर. जो नेचर ने बनाया है, जो भगवान ने बनाया है, वो ही चलता है पूरे साल. कब तुम लोग पैदा हो गए, तुम मरोगे, तभी भी तुम्हारे बच्चे पैदा हो गए, वो भी सेम टू सेम. दे आर गोइंग टू सी द सेम टू सेम. Rain, then cold, then again garmi, same. This is called a law of nature. Like example, sun is going to rise, sun is going to set. Every day he will do his work on his time. If one day sun does not come, what will happen? Everything will be night, night, night. Whole day we are going to sleep, sleep, sleep. कंटाल जाएगी. अभी कितना सोने का, बस हो गया, अभी नींद हो गई पूरी, भूख तो लगी है, खाना नहीं खाना है कि मम्मी उठना. मम्मी बोलेगी नहीं अभी तो रात है. ऐसा चलेगा? नहीं चलने वाला है. सो इट्स कॉल्ड अ लॉ ऑफ नेचर. जो उनको काम दिया है भगवान ने, वो बराबर अपना टाइम टू टाइम करते हैं. या कहीं कभी उनको ऐसा नहीं कि लोग नहीं, वो कंटाल गए, चलो आज मुझे नहीं आना है, थक गए भाई साहब, मुझे नहीं आना है, मुझे आज उगना ही नहीं है. ऐसा कभी होता है? नहीं. नो, नेवर. दे डोज नॉट डू एनीथिंग. Natural occurrence follow laws of nature. We cannot change the laws of nature at all, because they are made by the God itself. The rising and setting of the sun, the rising and setting of the sun, and the changes in the season never stop. Every year chalta hi aa raha hai, chalta hi aa raha hai. It's going on. Changes in the nature, changing in the season. Okay, it's going on. एक के बाद season change होता ही है. Law of gravity does not change. जो ऊपर गया है वो नीचे आने वाला ही है. This is called the gravity force. Okay. The rising and falling of the tides and phases of the moon changes. 15 दिन के बाद phases of the moon changes. Yes or no? Full moon comes, half moon comes, same like that. All of these things occurs according to the law of nature. According to the law of nature. If the government says, you today son you don't come, होगा? नहीं हो सकता है ना. Means the society life changes with the help of the people, but the law of nature changes help with the God. Okay, it's made by the God. It's called a nature. Nature's laws are constant and fixed. They do not ever become outdated. कभी ऐसा कुछ naturally outdated dress हो गया है, अभी हमको नहीं पहनना है. We do like this, no? जो खराब हो गया हम लोग नहीं पहनते. अभी हम लोग को समझो ये सीजन नहीं पसंद है, तो ये सीजन को निकाल दो. ऐसा हो सकता है? No, it's not outdated. We need that all seasons. We need all seasons. However, human laws need to be changed with changes condition. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे ना COVID-19 आया, so government has changed the rules. Okay, if COVID-19 goes, again government will change the rule. Yes or no? How means this changes condition जैसे है वैसे अपना rules change होता है. With changing in condition, the rules also changes. The laws follows in India under the rule of British were different. That time when British were ruling, okay, that time when British were ruling, that time rules were different. Who was making? British governor was making the rule. Okay, who was making? The British governor was making the rule. But now our government makes a rule for us. But when India gained independence, the situation changed. The situation changed and the laws of civic life changed accordingly. Law of civic life change accordingly. Okay. For example, after independence, the voting age was 21 years. क्या age था? 21 years. पहले जब independence मिला, we got that time the age of voting was 21 years. But after 1988, voting age was lowered by 18 years. कितना age हुआ? 18 years. Now we can put a vote after 18 years. अभी तुम लोग 18 साल के बाद होने वाले हो गए, तभी तुम लोग क्या कर सकते हो? वोटिंग कर सकते हो. You can go and vote. Children, always remember, boys and girls. What I taught you about the rules. So now we see what does the boys and girls do. Boys and girls or men or women are equal. Nowadays, pilots, men are also there and women are also there. Yes or no? Train can be driven by the woman also and by the men also. ये तो तुम लोग को मानना ही पड़ेगा. Yes or no? In offices, girls are also working and boys are also working. बाजू बाजू में बैठते हैं. Nowadays, bosses are who? Girls are also boss. Yes or no? Or boys are working under them. So don't underestimate the girls at all. Miss and girls don't underestimate the boys at all. Boys तुम लोग हमारे नीचे काम करते हैं इसलिए तुम लोग कुछ नहीं हो, कुछ नहीं. Boys and girls or men and women are equal. Both are working equally. They must get the same opportunity for the development. Like Indira Gandhi also was a girl, and Nehru was also boys, and Gandhiji was also boys. है ना, सब लोग एक equal है. They are equal. She is also fighting for our country, and Gandhiji was also fighting for our country. Yes or no? Same. They are all same persons. Then now we'll see this. See this. Can you see this? People of every age need nourishing food. Like men, they want a food to eat. Can you see children eating food? They are playing. All are equally. Boys and girls are playing. Okay, here also family is sitting. They're having all are eating fish, eating what rice and all that. इसमें pot में कम है, एक के डिश में कम दिया हुआ है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. All are eating equally. Okay. Now see, in middle picture, can you see the people of every age needs nourishing food? Nourishing food क्या? Healthy food. Each one needs a healthy food. But now this girl, see, don't girl needs has nourishing a diet has is given to a boy? ऐसा कुछ है जो boys को nourishing healthy food मिलता है वो girls को मिलना नहीं है? It's not like that. It's not like that. Why girls are also working in the home? If she is not पढ़ी लिखी नहीं educated, she is working at home, no, but so she also needs the food. But why she is not educated? She should go and study outside. Okay, at home. They feel only my brother needs good food. What does their parents feel that? उसका भाई बाहर जाता है कमाता है इसलिए उसको good food देना जरूरी है. It's wrong. She is also doing work. Yes or no? She is also doing work. And why she is not getting a nourishing food at all? She should also give. Now, children, tell me, this is wrong statement. Okay, everyone is equal. Men and women are equal. Now, can you tell me, in what other ways do you feel there is discrimination between the boys and girls? Okay, discrimination is क्यों होता है boys or girls में? Why this is happening? Okay, then it is incorrect to discriminate between the boys and girls. You should not discriminate. एक को कम लेना और दूसरे को अच्छा करना, बॉय करके इसको बड़ा के ऊपर बिठाना. It's not good. It's incorrect. It is unjust to deprive girls of good food or to prevent them from going to school. Deprive food means it's wrong that we should not give a good food to the girls or not sending them to the school. This is not good. It's wrong. It's an incorrect. Okay. Just injustice can also be seen in respect to other section of society. Another section of society. In the picture, can you tell me? Now see children, rules have to be made to ensure that no injustice is done. Injustice means क्या होता है? बराबर सबको समानता देना. एक को कम, एक को ज्यादा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Can you see the picture first one? This person, this man is telling to the poor people that you have not given your debt. तुमने तुम्हारा कर्ज अभी तक चुकाया नहीं. Because he is illiterate. पढ़ा लिखा नहीं. He is not educated. They still be the debt. अभी तक मैं कर्जा बाजारी कैसे हो? कर्जा कैसा खत्म नहीं हुआ? मैंने तो आपका पूरा कर्जा कर दिया. I have given all your money. This man is cheating. Yes or no? This is wrong. Now see the second picture. Now this woman is telling who is doing utensil, washing a utensil. Even though I work without a single holiday, even though I work without a single, एक भी छुट्टी नहीं लेती. Then also, why this woman is giving me less? Why she is paying me less? तो वो मुझे पगार इतना कम क्यों देती है? Because she is illiterate, she cannot speak with her. She is educated. Yes or no? She is educated. तो ये उसको फंस, no, ये सब कुछ wrong है. This is all wrong. You should not do. You should not. मतलब poor को कभी फंसाना नहीं है. You should not play with the poor feelings at all. Okay? You should not play with the poor feelings at all. We follow many customs and tradition in our life. Tradition and custom we follow in our life. We follow those traditions by observing our mother. Tradition चलता आ रहा है. Girls are wearing sarees and all that. Now, whom they are saying this? My mother is wearing sari. I will also wear sari. My mother is doing this, I'm also going to do this. My mother is cooking this, I'm also going to cook this. This is called a tradition. जो चलती आ रही है देखते आ रहे बच्चे, वही चलता जाता है. Traditions are going on. Father, grandparents and other relatives. There are several good customs. There are several good customs and tradition in our society. We celebrate festival together. Each and every festival is celebrated by together with our family, with our relatives. We celebrate the festival. They are coming to our house, we are going to their house, and we are celebrating the festivals. We welcome guests. Yes or no? When in our house, guests are coming, we welcome them. Or we are saying that you can go outside. Please don't come in our house. We will not give tea. We will not serve you tea at all. Please get out. ऐसे बोलते हैं guest को? No. We are telling them, please come inside, have a seat, have a tea, have a drink of something cold drink, then water and all that we are giving. Yes or no? This is called a welcoming the guests who visit us and our hospitality to them. Many of our custom enables us to maintain the balance of nature. We express our love and gratitude towards the animal also. We love our pet. Yes or no, children? We love our pets, animals also. Some of the persons are very बोलते ना खड़ूस रहते हैं, animals को मारते हैं and all that. The value of non-violence and peace have been a part of our social life since ancient time. Even so, there are some traditions and customs that are not desirable. They are not beneficial for our society. For example, caste distinction. Caste distinction, I have told you first only. What is caste distinction? किसी को नीचा नहीं दिखाना है. Caste distinction means you are Muslim, you are Sikh, you are Christian and all that. Don't do this, okay? Because of this, a divided has been created in society. क्या होता है? Because of this fighting it occurs. It takes and occurs. कौन सा रूप लेता है? Fighting का. Okay? It has given rise to inequality. Then untouchability was an inhuman and unjust custom. Untouchability होता है ना? Must be you have been कभी तो सुना होगा untouchability. अछूत लोगों को छूना नहीं है. We should not touch that person. We should not give them to drink water also. Please don't sit here. तुम लोग यहाँ पे मत बैठो. Please go from here. Please, please. जैसे भिखारीज come in our house, we tell them, hey, go, चलो भागो यहाँ से आके जाओ. Same like that. The Constitution of Independence India abolished the custom of untouchability. जैसे जैसे दिन चले गए, बढ़ते गए, then the untouchability custom खत्म हो गई. It's abolished. Okay, it's gone. In our country, customs such as sati and child marriage were abolished by making laws that banned them. Now, government has banned this sati and child marriage. पहले के जमाने में, before they used to marry a child in age of 12, 13. जैसे जैसे लड़कियां बड़ी करती गई, they used to get married. Okay. Then sati means what, children? अगर उसका husband मर गया, he used to go back of that person. वही अग्नि में खुद को जला लेना. It's called a sati. अगर मेरा husband मर गया, then I will also go. उसको जब जलाते ना, उसमें ही मैं खुद जाऊंगी, उसमें मैं खुद मर जाऊंगी. Then some of the people first they were cutting the hairs of the women. Because why? Because your husband is dead. You are going to cut your hairs. पूरा टकली कर देंगे उसको. But nowadays this is all banned. Means पूरा बंद करके रखा है. Government has banned this. All this child marriage, sati. अभी तुम लोग अभी समझो you are at teenage. After 2 years you will get married. Then what happened? Police will come and take your father and mother to the jail. And they will put your father and mother to jail. Why? Because this is now banned. ये अपने यहाँ पे नहीं चलता है अभी. Okay? The law that banned the use of magic for cheating people was first enacted in Maharashtra. Receiving a dowry. Dowry means क्या? हुंडा लेना. Receiving so much of money from the people who has a daughter. जिसको daughter है, वहाँ से क्या लेना? Dowry लेना, हुंडा लेना. Has been banned by the law. But then too, in the north side, they are giving the hundas. They are giving the dowries at all. Now also some people are taking the dowries. We should complain them. If you see this, go and complain to the police. Children, I am telling you. Okay? Then child labor. Child labor means छोटे बच्चे काम करना. Then illiteracy, जो पढ़े लिखे नहीं रहते. Superstitious, जादू टोना करना, लींबू मिर्ची बांधना and all that. This is called a superstition. A few more social issues in our country. ये तो चलता ही रहता है. Okay? What is the issues? Can you see this? Illiteracy, study. These are our social issues. Okay. Then comes the child marriage, child labor, superstition. देखो काली ये बुढ़िया को बांध के रखा है, नींबू मिर्ची and all that. This is called a superstition. Then wrong custom. We'll see now wrong custom. Wrong customs and tradition causes the neglect of some section. Wrong customs and tradition causes the neglect of some section of society. Sorry, some section of society. They have no access to education. These poor children has no access to education because they don't have money. They cannot take an education. Can you see that children are pick up in the garbage and all that? This child is selling the flag because they don't have money. From this only they are getting the money and eating the food. Everyone must be knowing this. Okay. Therefore, they do not get opportunity to develop. क्या होता है, अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती उनको चांस नहीं मिलता है डेवलप होने का. They have no means of livelihood. Therefore, they have to face poverty. Poverty means गरीबी. They have to face poverty. Poverty and lack of education. गरीबी और education नहीं मिलने से are the two big obstacles in our society. This is the big two problem in our society. Obstacle means problem in our society. Poverty means garibi and lack of education is not getting the proper education. Not getting the proper education. This is the big two problem in our society. We can only make progress together if we get rid of this obstacle. I'm repeating again, children, from here, which are social. Grandparents say what's going on, tradition is going on from where? From our mother, father, grandparents and other relatives say. Then we celebrate the festival together. Yes or no? If a guest came in our house, we hospitality them. Okay. Many of the custom enables us to maintain the balance of nature. Okay. Then I had taught you about the untouchability. What is untouchability? Was an inhuman and unjust custom. The Constitution of Independence, India abolished the custom of untouchable. Then I told you about our social issues. I'm repeating this again. Then I told you about the social issues, which are them: illiteracy, superstition, child marriage, child labor. These all are the social issues. Okay. Then I told you about the sati. Then I told you about the sati and child marriage. But nowadays all this thing is banned. All this thing is banned. Okay. Then comes a wrong custom tradition, and which is the main problem in our society. Two main problems are there, that is poverty and lack of education. Poverty and lack of education is the two big problem. Okay, this is the two big problem in our society. Then we see protecting our environment. Protecting our environment. How we are going to protect our environment? Just as the laws are necessary to maintain equality and justice in society. Just as laws are necessary to maintain equality. Laws are made to maintain the equality and justice in the society. Okay. Laws are also required for the protection of the environment. Also, in jungle, some laws are there, rules are there, rules and laws are there that we should not touch, we should not cut the trees and all that for protecting the environment. If trees are not there, rain will be not there. Yes or no? Everyone must be knowing. So we are telling the plants of trees and all that. For whom? For the environment purpose, we are saying. We are dependent on the nature in many ways. We are dependent on the nature in many ways. Nature पे हम लोग depend है. Yes or no, children? Yes, we are dependent on the nature in many ways. Like fruits, grains, vegetables, we are depending on them only. Most of our needs are fulfilled by the nature. Everything is depend upon the nature. So we should take care of our environment. Yes. Natural resources should be available in enough quantity for the needs of our future generation. For the future generation. Future generation means जो आगे आने वाली अपनी generation से. Therefore, we must conserve these natural resources. We must use them carefully. We should use them carefully. Okay, children, understood? Now, we will see ahead. Do you know, children, caste discrimination, gender equality, and a lack of education for women was some of the big obstacles in our society. Nowadays also in the villages, the education is not given to the woman at all. कहाँ पर गांव में मीन्स बोलते हैं ना खेड़े गांव एकदम छोटा वाला गांव रहता है ना जहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं Adivasi people, you must be knowing Adivasi people. Caste discrimination is still going on somewhere. Gender inequality is going on somewhere, and lack of education of women. वहाँ पे लड़कियों को नहीं पढ़ाया जाता है. Okay, in our society, these are also big problems. Okay, I have told you some two problems like poverty and education, lack of education, same like that. Okay, then who has taken the big opportunity? किसने इसको help किया? किसने इसको बढ़ावा दिया? We will see that person's name. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Rajeshri Shahu Maharaj, and Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar tried to get rid of this obstacle. इन्होंने ये आगे बढ़ाया. ये लोग निकलने सब. These are the persons who bring the women ahead. उनको education देने में इन्होंने बहुत help की. They fought so much to give the women's education. Okay. Then Savitribai Phule had to fight a great battle for the women's education. She is the person who brought women education. She started to give the women's education in Pune. Savitribai Phule has started a first girl education school. Okay, she has started a school for the girls, that girls should educate. Why only boys should educate it? Girls also should get an education. Her colleague Fatima Sheikh provided her with a valuable assistance in this fight. Who helped Savitribai Phule? Her colleague Fatima Sheikh had helped Savitribai Phule. Okay, then Maharshi Dhondo Keshav Karve also did a great work for promoting women education. This person also helped to become the woman educated, to the girls' education. I am taking the names again. I am repeating the names again. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Rajeshri Shahu Maharaj, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Savitribai Phule, Fatima Sheikh, Maharshi Dhondo Keshav Karve. These are the persons who made the women's education. These are the persons who make the women educated. Okay, this has started giving the education to the woman. These are the persons started giving education to the woman. Then, what we have learned, everyone? Again, I will repeat for you. Wrong customs and tradition cause the neglect of some section of the society. They have no access to education. Therefore, do not get the opportunity to develop. इनको education नहीं मिल रहा है, so we are not getting opportunity to develop the society. They have no means of livelihood. Therefore, they have to face poverty. Poverty and lack of education are the two big obstacles. Obstacle means a problem in our society. We can only make progress together if we get rid of this obstacle. Okay, just as the law are necessary to maintain equality and justice in society, laws are also required for the protection of the environment. We are dependent on the nature in many ways. Most of our needs are fulfilled by the nature. Natural resources should be available in enough quantity for the needs of our future generation. Therefore, we must conserve these natural resources. We must use them carefully. Then caste discrimination, gender inequality, and lack of education for the women are some of the big obstacles in our society. Okay. Then whom brought this? Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Rajeshri Shahu Maharaj. Hey, Rajeshri Shahu Maharaj in our Badlapur one school is there, no? What is the name? Some name was there. Same name is there. Rajeshri Shahu Maharaj Shala, Pawar Complex mein. Okay. Some student must be knowing that. Then who again? Then Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Sorry, to get rid of this इस problem से निकलने के लिए बाहर. Okay, these obstacles. Savitribai Phule had to fight a great battle for the women education. A colleague, Fatima Sheikh, provided her with a valuable assistance in this fight. Okay, then Maharshi Dhondo Keshav Karve also did a great work to promote women's education. Understood now? We study rules made for people are changes from time to time. जो people के लिए rule बनते हैं वो changes. These rules are changes from time to time. These rules are changes from time to time. Rules in the olden days were in the form of religious tradition and social custom. पहले के rules किसके लिए बनाए गए थे? Religious के लिए. Means बोलते ना तुम लोग मुस्लिम हो, हिंदू हो, like that. उनके लिए tradition के लिए, then social custom. Laws are made to combat inhuman and undesirable tradition and customs. Okay, undesirable condition and custom. Now we will see one small video. This you will come to know clearly what I taught you. Okay.